December by Anna Dittmann in 65 by 50 cm rounds. Version 1 starts with electric diamonds sprinkled in the background. We have left some electric diamonds on the snowflake on her forehead, and this is basically part of the free electric diamonds that come with this kit. December version 2 special treatment now adds alexandrite sprinkled in the blue areas below her chin, and there's also some above her head. So simply sprinkle it in those blue areas. And finally, for version 3 of December by Anna Dittmann, special treatment, we now add titanium crystals, and these are placed on the purple areas in the flowers. So simply sprinkle it in those purple areas.